Hi, I'm Vicky of Hit the Books, and this is your Xero tip of the week. Sometimes, when coding the transaction, it needs to be put to several codes using different line items. To do that, we use the Add Details feature to open up the transaction and add different line items. For example, if we see this statement line here, we have been to the supermarket to buy some office supplies and also some alcohol. So we need to use different codes for these items. So looking at the receipt, $25 was spent on alcohol, $15 was cleaning products, and $10 was general expenses. So we click Add Details to open up the transaction, and we start off by putting alcohol in the description, 1 at $25, and coded to entertainment. And here we can code the line to a tracking category if needed. We've spent $15 on cleaning products. So on our next line item, we put cleaning products. 1, $15, and code it to the cleaning code. And then the third line item is for tea and coffee. $10, coded to general expenses. You'll also see here the file icon, which we saw in the Sales Invoice 101 course. Here, we can upload the receipt for the transaction to help with our record keeping. It is good to have the receipt or invoice for purchases stored on each transaction, so they can easily be found for auditing purposes and also as a reference for other Xero users, such as your accountant. So to attach the receipt, I click the file icon, click Upload, find the receipt, and there it is. Attaching receipts and invoices can really help reduce the amount of time your accountant spends checking your coding, as they don't need to ask you questions when they can see the evidence for themselves. Then we press Save Transaction and then Reconcile.